Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these Crochet Narwhal whales, and I used medium worsted yarn and an F hook. The pattern is down below. You can also use a larger hook or smaller hook depending on how big you would like these. When I made it with an F hook, they're not very big. They're just a few inches in size. So you can always make them bigger. And I use little eye inserts that I found on Amazon. I can link those down below. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, in the magic circle, I'm going to work 6 single crochet. You can slip stitch into it. If this is your first time using the magic circle, there is a link down below. If this is too fast for you, there is a link on how to make your video in slow motion. So grab that yarn and pull through 2 loops, insert your hook, grab the yarn, and then pull through 2 loops. Continue on for a total of 6 single crochet in the magic circle. So yarn over and pull through 2 loops for single crochets. You're going to pull through and slip stitch in that beginning single crochet to finish off this first round and to start the next round. Now you're going to work 2 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 12 single crochet, and I will be showing throughout this pattern a few rounds with different colors of yarn because I had to make a few adjustments on this pattern in the video. So work the 2 single crochet in each stitch around until you get back to the beginning. Okay, then you can slip stitch. Then I'm going to use my tail as my stitch marker, or you can use a stitch marker if you like. So this one is going to be increase round, a single crochet in the first stitch, and then 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and then you'll just repeat that 1 and then 2 and then 1 and then 2 until you get to the beginning. You're adding 6 more to your 12, so it will be 18. Now this round I'm going to work without a slip stitch. I'm going to work a single crochet and then a single crochet in the next stitch and then 2 single crochet increase. This is working in continual rounds without the slip stitch, so there isn't too much of a seam there. Then you'll just repeat that until you get to the beginning. It will be 1 and then another 1 and then 2, and then work that until you get to the beginning. Now I'm going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 3 rounds. This will start turning it into more of a shape. So 3 rounds of single crochet. Okay, you're at the end of the 3 rounds of single crochet. Now you're going to chain 5, and then I did switch colors because I had to make a correction. So on the 3rd chain from the hook, you're going to work a double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through 2 loops, then work a double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then you're going to slip stitch right in that last stitch there. This is the tail of the whale, and then go into the next stitch, slip stitch, and then chain 5, and then just repeat double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook, and then double crochet in the next 2 stitches for the tail, and then slip stitch. Slip stitch in that stitch again. Single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then you're going to make a little fin. So chain 3, and then slip stitch in that beginning stitch, and then you're going to single crochet in the next 14 stitches. Now you're going to make a little fin on the other side with a chain 3, and then slip stitch in the beginning stitch, and then single crochet in the next remaining stitches for 3 stitches, and then it's going to be a color change. Okay, you're going to slip stitch, pull it through with your color, and then in all of the back loops you're going to work a single crochet all the way around until you get back to the beginning. This is another color, different color with the pink, because I wanted to make different ones, but also I had to redo it a little bit, that's why. So just go right in the back loop as much as you can. So just work in each back loop around until you get to the beginning. Okay, so now you're going to slip stitch back at the beginning here, and then you're going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the next, and then 2 single crochet together. Insert your hook, and then grab the yarn, and then insert your hook again with the next stitch, and then pull through all 3 loops for 2 single crochet together. You will work that all the way into the beginning, 1 single crochet in the next 2, and then 2 single crochet together. Okay, you're back at the beginning here, and I'm going to work a single crochet, no slip stitch, and then 2 single crochet together. So that's the pattern around, is 1 and then 2 together, and then 1 and then 2 together until you get back to the beginning, and then you're going to start stuffing and placing your eyes inside. You can do your eyes right now, or if they don't have a backing to them, you can just do them at the very end. So I placed the eyes on top and I inserted my stuffing, and now I'm in the next round here, which is going to be the same, one single crochet and then two together, and then it's going to start eventually closing, and then you can sew it up. So then one and then two together, and just repeat that all the way around. And then when you get to the end, you can start doing two together until it starts closing, and then you can start sewing it with your yarn needle. Okay, I did two together to where it was almost closed, and I'm going to slip stitch, fasten off, then take my yarn needle and sew it in. If you want to make a horn, you can. You can take an E-hook and then chain 5, and then I'm going to slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, pull through, then I'm going to single crochet in the next chain, and then half double crochet in the next two chains, and then your little horn is complete. You can place it right on top on the center and sew that on. Just yarn over and pull through after your half double crochet again. So pull through, yarn over, and then you have your little horn. Okay, your little whale is complete. This is what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe.